Soap for Hope and Literacy Corporation. Too often, children come to school without the basic necessities to stay clean and healthy. At the same time, many face challenges with literacy that hold them back from reaching their full potential. These struggles are connected, and they affect the child's dignity, self-esteem, and success in the classroom. As a teacher, I have witnessed the deep disparities that exist amongst families in underserved communities. Many of my students struggle to assess the basic necessities for good hygiene, while at the same time facing challenges with literacy that affect their confidence, health, and educational success. Motivated by these experiences, I founded Soap for Hope and Literacy, a nonprofit dedicated to bridging the gap between hygiene and education. Our mission is simple: to promote dignity, health, and learning by providing families with homemade soap, hygiene kits, and fun educational workbooks that teach kids about germs, hand washing, and disease prevention, while also building their reading skills. I aim to empower children and families with the tools they need to stay healthy and thrive academically. When children feel clean, healthy, and confident in their ability to read, they are better prepared to learn, grow, and thrive. Unhoused communities in LA face water, sanitation, and hygiene insecurities. Pause and read. Health literacy among adults. Pause and read. Every bar of soap we share, every workbook we give away, every hygiene kit is an investment in brighter futures. With your support, we can continue to bring hope, hygiene, and literacy to children and families who need it most. Together, we can make a lasting difference. Thank you, and donate today to Soap for Hope and Literacy Corporation.